urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Morenci, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Adrian around 4:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tecumseh around 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Clinton around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Seneca, Manitou Beach, Devil's Lake, Lime Creek, Munson, Canandaigua, Tipton, Sand Creek, Jasper, Rome Center, and Modena. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lenawee, Michigan. Thunderstorms. The water temperature off Toledo is 40 degrees. Off Cleveland. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Detroit, Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County in southeastern Michigan, northeastern Lenawee County in southeastern Michigan, Washtenaw County in southeastern Michigan, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tecumseh, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Britain and Tecumseh around 5:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sailing around 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ann Arbor and Ypsilanti around 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Dixboro around 5:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Salem around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Pittsfield Township, Cone, Whitaker, Macon, Hudson Mills Metro Park, Bridgewater, Ridgeway, Delhi Mills, Pleasant Lake, and Tipton. This includes the following highways: I-94 between mile markers 155 and 187, M14 between mile markers 1 and 15, US-23 between mile markers 16 and 52. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee and Monroe,